Welcome back to Mo Dodge, Mo Mods, or Mo Mods, Mo Dodge, however you like it. Today, guys, we have a nice treat for you. I am going to be installing some tire letter stickers, as you can see here. And the purpose of this is just to enhance the tires, to make them stand out. Right now, these are Mopar stickers, tire letters. Now, mind you, I did get them off of eBay. Fairly inexpensive, so you know me, I'm going to test anything out just first time to see how it works. And if I don't like it, I'll just take it off. But here they are, Mopar. But mainly these are not pieces. It's one. They come in one. And as you know, we need to clean the tires off, which I've prematurely done. However, I still need to do the paint thinner, or, I use paint thinner just to get the tire a little cleaner. I've washed it down with soap and water, but let's see where we're at. So it's not really that dirty. Okay, so I still got a little residue. That means I got a little bit more cleaning to do on all four tires, and then we'll get started. Now, before I get started, guys, I just want to give you guys a before look, and then we'll do the before and after. As you can see, these are new tires. Only had them for a few weeks, so I didn't use a lot of tire shine on them. So we're going to finish cleaning it up, and we're going to see if we got any residue left. And then after that, we'll start to apply. I'll show you how to apply these tire letters. Stay tuned. So guys, we have cleaned off the tires as much as we could. I've already taken them to the car wash previously. See this? It's not a whole lot up. Not a whole lot of dirt. So we should be good. And next I'm going to take the tire off for better fitment. I'm going to go over it again. This is the end result. I'm going to go over the tire again with a microfiber cloth. I use acetone paint thinner to get the rest of the residue off. And right now it's just going to do one tire at a time and just work my way around the car. But this is the before. As you can see, they say you want to wash the tires off thoroughly with soap and water first, which I've already done. Right now I'm just going over what's left of the residue from the tire shine and the dirt and stuff on the road. But this is the before. Right now I'm going to go ahead and take the tire, one tire off at a time, and then we're going to proceed with installing my Mopar tire sticker. And what's nice is it's already curved to specifications, and it comes in one piece. So all I have to do is align it up to the tire of where I want to put it, which is typically going to be in this area here. Not covering the initial Achilles tire symbol, because it just protrudes 3D, whatever. But not covering over the tire side. I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna definitely put it over in this area right above my tire size here, and then opposite down here. All right, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so I now have my Mopar stickers placed where I want it to go. As you can see, I take the top part and the bottom part is pretty much aligned the way I want it. And all I did was jack the tire up, and it looks aligned. So right now, what we're going to do is apply this rubber glue. And the kit, I purchased this separately on eBay. I bought 2 of them just in case. And now I'm just going to apply glue underneath my Mopar sticker. Underneath it, I'm going to fill it up, apply the glue, and press and hold for 30 seconds. Okay? Or at least a minute. And I'm going to do one at a time. And then once that's done, I'll just, you know, apply more tape to it so it can stay compressed, and then I'll move to the next tire. So I'll let you guys know how this thing works out. You know, I ain't no professional, but hey, it's just a Dodge mod. You know how it is.
3 hours later.
All right, guys. So I got tire 1 on, glued and mounted. I just have to play the waiting game. And don't worry about the mess of the glue. That's going to curate and become clear over time. And then you can just like pick it off, which would be nice. And then you can add your tire shine or your armor oil, whatever you use. So 1 down, 3 to go. All right, guys. So as you can see how I have the painter's tape aligned on the tire. I'm just letting gravity of the glue go down and take hold as I scribble all the way around. And what I'm going to do is just go ahead and put that back up because I got it aligned. To the other side. Press and hold. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I got this other side to do. Peel the tape back. Get it. There you go. And we will apply glue to this other side. Alright, guys, so it's the second tire. And so as you see, trying to get those corners, especially the ends, and I'll apply it back. And once most of it is cured, we'll go over the edges with glue. Alright guys, moment of truth. This is the next day, and I've already started taking off the tape for the tire stickers. Left a little mess, but it looks like I'm going to have to apply a little bit more glue to get them sitting just right and clean up the tire with all the tape residue still on there. And hopefully that thing stands out right. I mean, for the most part, just looking at it, it looks all right. We'll see. We will see what we will see. Yeah, definitely got to clean off that tape. Yes, sir. But okay, it don't look too bad now that I'm looking at it. Try to get that thing once it starts spinning. Once it starts spinning. Yeah, that's the last one to take off. Let's see. Pick the tongue up. You see that? I guess that's to be expected. It's not going to be perfect every time. At least it's not individual letters, because that would be a headache. Trying to get those individual letters back on. Maybe it would have been better because it had its own clear covering over it. this thing right here. How we gonna do this again? It's hard doing this with one hand. Some glue got to the tape, so then know what that means. There we go. Literally cut. So tape got more glue than the sticker. Look at that. Look at that. See? And that's what I was talking about. So, amateur doing tire stickers. It's my first time doing it. To me, it doesn't look like it's set very well. But to a professional, this just could be a minor adjustment. You know what I mean? Temperature was right, everything was right accordingly, but it is what it is. So I'm going to take the time to go over it with some more glue to do a more permanent seal. But I mean, I think I got them situated just right the way I like it, which is, that's at least a good thing. Give it a couple more days once it really settles in, because I'm going to have to put, probably have to use more tape and more glue. But it's on there. I just have to go over it again, the parts that are kind of peeling, and put some tape over that once the glue is in there. And then, yeah, I think she'll be good to go after that. Well, you know, something I really wanted to do, but I think it kind of sets it out. I should have went with all red, but then again, I'm like, the white really brings out the tires, and with the red Mopar symbol, it brings out the calipers, and I kind of like it. I kind of like it. I guess I like it. Let me see. Another distance. Let's see. Yep. She looks alright. Alright, guys. Tell me what you think. If there was a better product, which would you advise? Or what should I have gotten? You know, my whole thing is Mopar and pretty much doing things with moderation on your budget. But if you guys got some better ideas as far as the tire letters I should have gone with, please comment, let me know, because that's what I'm about. Comment, let me know. Make sure you subscribe, and let me know your thoughts, guys. All right, that's another Mods project, and stay tuned. There's going to be more, because I might not like these tire letters and take them off. And that's on a serious note, for the most part. But stay tuned for my next modification. I'm going to be doing a review of my interior. As you guys know, there is always issues with the interior with these cars, man. They come so plain unless you buy it with the nice leather and the colors and everything. But yeah, I'll give you guys an update on that. That's coming soon. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Mo Dodge, Mo Mods. That's another one.